Hello everyone. Today let's see how AI search in BDB data platform helps to start my day with the processed data, and how can I create a quick summary report for my day and explore the data further. So let me log into the platform. Once logged to the platform, we'll be landing in the My Documents page, and this search button navigates to the data catalog section. From here, you can move to the AI search. Today, the data what I'm going to query is the output of a route, driver, and vehicle optimizer. Here, considering myself as a division route planner, I'm asking few questions to the built-in AI search, hoping that it would give me some answers to plan the day better. Let's go and search. So initially, I would like to know how my passengers are allocated. So let me go and ask for that. Count of passengers by job. So here quickly I get the information like how many passenger is being allocated with vehicle and how many is not allocated with vehicle. So from here, how I can create a quick summary report. Let me go and click on this add to story. By pinning this result, you can start adding these views into the business story. Let me add to the story. Here I'll be getting the list of existing business stories. If I wanted to add a new summary report, I can easily do it. Let me create a daily go to summary report. Here you could see the view added to the story successfully. So let me go and see whether the business story is being created, and you have the particular view in it. The business story is there, and the summary clearly says that it is being created by AI search. So I could see my allocated unmet jobs. So daily whenever I need to see, I doesn't even need to open anything, ask anything, just come to this report. It'll have my latest data always. Let me ask some more questions and add to the story. Let me go back to the search. This time I'll ask a question like count of passengers by division. Yeah, I have got the information. I can add this to the story. Daily go to summary report, so it should be available there. Let me ask another question, how my driver utilization is there, whether all the customers has been assigned with the drivers or not. I can check for customers by driver status. Here I should be getting a chart, and here we do have a voice search option. Instead of typing, you can ask the questions by voice as well. Let me try to change the type of chart here. I'll go for a pie chart so that I'll be able to know what's the percentage of allocated and unallocated is there. Let me pin it. And now we can go back to the story and check whether all my views has been added. Yeah, it looks like all the views added here. Let me change the size of it, and if I wanted to edit any of the things, I can go and edit here. Number of passengers by job, and if I wanted to have a summary of it, I can just enable the summary and measure. I'll just go for passengers, then let it be sum, and done. So here you could see the total of 609 plus 43, what is the number. And if I want to change the color of this, I can go and change the color directly. Apply and save. So this save changes will be there. This summary report is going to be my daily go-to summary report, whereas I can just directly come into this report and analyze my day and start planning my day. Here also we do have option of search. Whatever the data store available behind this will be listed here. You can just see what are the questions been asked also is listing here. And then if you wanted to create a new one, you can just click a plus. You can select what kind of chart you required and just drag and drop the columns. Based on the dimension measured, drag and dropped, you'll be knowing how many uh, categories is there and what is the value in it. Here I have taken the action and the number of pickups. So approved pickups is 27, rejected is 15, and pending is of 201. So this kind of status I'll be able to do it. I'll save it back again. Let me go and change the title. Number of pickups. I can save here. By this way, I'll be able to add multiple views to the business story. And how you can create a business story, I'll provide a link in my description of this video. You can just go and check how you can prepare the business story with your data store. Thank you.